Hello! So, ooh, look at this guy. That's better. So I want to try and clear the air, sort out the confusion when we're talking about a balanced diet. So many people say, oh, you need to eat a balanced diet, which is very true. You need to eat a balanced diet. But in my opinion, I think that is being misleading. That's misleading, you say a balanced diet, because people think you need to eat a balance of foods, which you do, but not a huge, diverse balance, which is what, you know, the food plate, which everyone's familiar with. The food plate, you should have a certain amount of this, and this. And when compared to what I eat a lot of the time, say bananas, lots of bananas and fruit, people would argue that that's not a balanced diet because you're not including any meat, you're not including any dead animals, you're not including any fish, you're not including any milk or dairy. Where do you get calcium? All those common misconceptions. But what people don't seem to understand, a balanced diet actually should refer to a balance of nutrients, a balance of nutrition, not a balance of foods. So a balanced diet doesn't mean you have some bread, have some sandwiches, have a bit of carbs, but not too much. Make sure you have lots of meat for protein and this, and this. That's not where you should be going. That is misleading and it won't get you anywhere. What you need to learn, what I would advise you learn at least, which is what I've learned, has helped me loads, is learn about what nutrients are in certain foods. And then you understand that, oh, okay, so that's the essential nutrients. You've got all the vitamins, like vitamin A, B, all the B vitamins, vitamin K, all those sorts of things. And you've got all the minerals, like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, blah, 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 all different types of fat. You learn what foods have those in, and then, once you look at that, you find out and you realise that every single essential nutrient which we need as humans can be found in plant foods. End of story, argument over, zip. Because you don't need to eat animal products to get nutrients which can't be achieved otherwise from plants. Protein, for example, that's such a vague word. Like, where do you get protein, for example? It's just like, well, this has got protein in it. I bet a lot of people watching this didn't know that a banana had protein. About 6%, about 4 to 6% of banana is protein. Protein is in every single plant food. And humans require very little, which is why we're supposed to eat plants, because it's in the correct ratio we are supposed to consume it in. So, protein is sorted in plants. Everything you need. Vitamin A, everyone says, oh, in carrots, it makes you see well. Vitamin A is actually converted from beta-carotene, which is in every single fruit. Very, very, very bright fruits like mangoes have got awesome beta-carotene levels. That gets converted to A, just as an example. So you want to focus on a balance of nutrients, not a balance of foods. Just through things like conditioning from bodies like the government and things like that makes you think that you must eat certain foods, and like loads of influences from like the meat and dairy industry say, oh, you must get carnosine, some made up amino acid from protein. You must eat meat to get these things. All those things, it's just a scam. Like, is it really that insane to think that humans can get all their essential nutrients to contribute to their balanced diet from plants? Is it really that weird when you think what other animals can do it? Elephants, the biggest and largest, strongest land animal on the planet, eating just plants, almost just greens. How does it do it? Because the greens are nutrient dense and rich, it's what it's supposed to eat. Is it really that insane to think that humans can achieve the same nutrition through plants which they're supposed to eat, like fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and like rice starches if you want them as well? Great nutrients in them. Is it really that crazy? Or like rhinos? How can they build all that mass, all that muscle? How can they build all that muscle mass and amazing bodies which they have just from eating plants? Because plants have amazing nutrients in them, and humans are designed to eat plants, and plant foods contain all the essential nutrients humans require. Simple as. So if you eat lots of carbohydrate dense foods, plant foods, rice, beans, potatoes, fruits, vegetables, if you stuff your face with those foods and make sure you get enough calories, you're going to achieve a balanced diet. Congratulations. you will achieve a balance of nutrition. You will get all the essential nutrients you need because plants have them in. Bottom line. You don't need to eat animal products to achieve anything which you can't achieve from plants. End of story. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did. Comment down below if you didn't, or if you did. Any other questions, ask in the comments below. I will see you for the next video.